Does managing your parking office drive you crazy? Are you fed up with all those manual processes you have to endure? OPSCOM arrives on the scene with a drop-in solution, doing the work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Featuring an easily brandable user portal, with multilingual dashboard, OPSCOM will provide a self-service experience for your users, with the ability to set up online payment where the money goes straight into your bank account. Even if you have just one lot to manage, join the OPSCOM team and be the hero of your organization. The admin portal allows you to create a completely flexible and customizable parking environment. Easily track who parks where. We can even help you end that ongoing fight between regular parkers and guest parkers. Communicate with your users right out of OPSCOM in bulk or one-on-one. All that activity is stored, tracked, and can be reported on for standard analytics. Full control to maximize return on investment.